Pleasure of reading. Reading may be a compulsion for a school-going child, pastime for a retired person, but a pleasure for many. You can discover a smile on the face of novel reader, a gleam in the eyes of the reader of a poem, and furrow of seriousness on the forehead of a person reading a newspaper report. Reading disturbs mind and heart. Waves of thinking and emotion are generated by reading, so the pleasure is immediate and it continues to linger in the mind. Reading lifts us up from the harsh realities of life into the world of imagination. The magic touch of fancy transmutes grief into joy, failure into success, pain into pleasure, and fear into hope. Even an unhappy man shares his unhappiness and realities no longer press hard. Reading gives intellectual satisfaction. A detective novel satisfied the sense of curiosity. Serious literature encourages intellectual activity. Light literature amuses us, and poetry stirs our imagination. One can relive the past and create the future by reading. By reading books, we enrich our exercise and sharpness our judgments. Judgment experience in its turn makes us wiser and self-confident. Books can give company when human beings cannot. We can happily spend our lonely hours in the company of the author tolerated characters. A train journey may be tiresome if we do not have a magazine or a newspaper by our side. Sleepless nights may not be spent without a mystery thriller. Reading gives us varied pleasure. A sensational sport may provide a rich feast for our sense. Another may satisfy our aesthetic sense, and another may give intellectual satisfaction. Reading gives spiritual, intellectual, and even sensuous pleasure.